Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marky. Thanks so much for clicking this video. Today's video, we're going to get right to the point. It's going to be short and sweet, just like me. Alright, so guys, today's video is a Ulta haul. It's a mini Ulta haul. I just wanted to share with you guys a couple of goodies that I got when I went Christmas shopping the other day. I haven't been to an Ulta in what seems like forever, so I was really excited to go in, and I only got a couple things because, you know, Christmas is about giving, not receiving, so, and sorry, I'm playing with my hair. Alright guys, so if you want to see what I got in my Ulta haul, then you know what to do. Just keep watching. Like I said, we're going to do a mini Ulta haul. I could have went nuts in the store. Okay. It's like heaven for a makeup lover. Am I right? Comment below if you agree. If like Sephora and Ulta are like heaven for you makeup junkies. Okay. Well, I've got to hurry because my husband will be home soon and my kids can only be quiet for so long. So we're going to dive right in to this Ulta haul. But first, pause. Okay? Pause. If you want to give me a happily Merry Christmas, then all you got to do is subscribe. Go ahead, right there. Click that little red Christmassy subscribe button. It'll make me so happy. Also, click that little red notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a video, which I'm telling you, this new year is a new me. And I'm going to be uploading so much, you're not even going to be able to handle it. For real. No, I'm serious. Like, for real. Okay? So, go ahead. Click subscribe. Click that notification bell. And give this video a thumbs up because it's Christmas. Have a heart. Alright, let's dive right into this Ulta haul. Is this Morphe times Jeffree Star eyebrow pencil. I did use it, but it looks like that. It's got a spoolie on one end. It's really pretty. It says Morphe times Jeffree Star. And yeah, I used it this morning and I really, really like it. I think his packaging is super cute. Pink is always fun. It says, "Hi Flawless Blendon, how are ya?" So yeah, I think this was $5 and I got this at Ulta. Next one. Okay, so I've been wanting to try this for years. I think it came out last year. I don't know here. Whatever. But I finally got it. I don't have an Ulta very close to me. Ew, I don't like my hair. I'm wanting for quite some time now. I found out about it through Casey Holmes, and I think it was like all the rage like last year on YouTube. And it is the Makeup Revolution, or I think it's just called Revolution Makeup London, the foundation stick. Oh, I got it for $9.99. I got mine in the shade F5, and it reminds me a lot of like the KKW, and that's what it looks like. So creamy. I think I might have got it a little too light, but I have it on right now. But I also have like bronzer and stuff, so I think it looks alright. I really like the formula. It's very creamy, blendable, smooth, very affordable. I feel like you get quite a bit of product. I mean, not too much, but I mean, I heard it was a dupe for the, what's it called? What is it called? A dupe for the Hourglass Vanishing Stick. So I highly recommend this. If you haven't tried it, go get you one. Next up, I took a little dab in the drugstore department and I got one of these, which I have plenty of them, but this is in the shade Covet, and it is a brown liquid lipstick by Milani. Okay. That's the swatch. I have it on my lips. I could use a little touch up, but we ain't gonna go there. Yeah, I wore it today and I really, really like it. I wore a color similar like this at Thanksgiving time, and I wish I would have had this because this is matte and it won't get everywhere. And I just got this because I didn't let it dry all over my hair or something. I don't know. Anyways, moving right along. Next up, I got the Morphe Aerosol Can Continuous Setting Mist. This was, I believe, the James Charles one that came in his collection, and I really, really love it, you guys. Oh my gosh. I expected it. I expected it to be more like of a strong pizzazz in your face, but it's not very light. It is. It's a continuous mist, and it keeps my makeup all day long. It doesn't beat my Urban Decay all-nighter, but I think it's very nice, especially like to wet your brushes or to do in between, you know, when you're doing your powder and stuff before you finish the rest of your face. I got this for 25% off, so I think I paid like 10 or 12 bucks for it because it's originally 18, so I really, really like it, and I'm glad that I got it. And the next thing that I got was by Makeup Revolution also, and this is an oldie but a goodie, and I've had this before, but like I said, I don't have an Ulta near me, so I rarely get to get Makeup Revolution. But this is in C5.7. They say it's a dupe for the Sharp, did you guys hear me? The Tarte Shape Tape. Okay. So, looks like that. It's very creamy. It's blendable. It's a little drying. They say it's full coverage, but I'm really not convinced that it's full coverage. I have to use it a couple more times. I don't really remember what I thought about it when I got it the first time. So, yeah. I gotta keep playing with it. It was on sale, though, for $3.99, but maybe that's why. I don't know. What else? What else? The next thing that I got was this is a Ulta but a goodie, and this is a repurchase for the Milani Conceal and Perfect 3-in-1 foundation. I love this stuff. It's absolutely lovely. It's long lasting. It's very, very creamy. It's not too thick. You can go overboard, so you have to be careful. You want to see a hot mess? Didn't I say that lipstick doesn't go anywhere? I mean, it doesn't after you let it dry, so whatever. But anyways, yeah, that foundation is bomb. I highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Go get you one. 1 second. Okay. And the next thing is, put it back in the package, is the Milani Most Wanted Lashes. This I got recommended via, I think, Kathleen Lights, and it's very, very black. It gives you a lot of volume, which I prefer length, but I do really like this mascara because it's not too clumpy, and it's really, really black, and it's not dry, but it's not like wet where it's gonna run. So perfect combo. I have worn it. I just put it back in the package for video purposes. But yeah, I think that's a great mascara. Great. And you guys, the last thing that I got was my nails. These are some manicure press-ons by Kiss. Comes like this. Right. Yeah. Got them in. They have a medium length now because I think the shorts are just too short for me. But the long nails is just too much. I can't. I'm a mom. I work. I can't. I gotta, use the bathroom every day. I can't have long dragon nails. So, yeah. But I like these. They're very festive for the holiday. And I swear to goodness, I swear by these. I was just watching a video by Christina Randall where she was talking about press-ons of her new thing because she doesn't have time to go sit at the nail salon, and that is how I feel. I have no patience, zero. I remember my husband used to get me gift certificates to get my nails done, and I dreaded going. But I like having my nails done, so it's a catch-22. But anyways, this is great. You can do these literally in 5-10 minutes, and you're good to go. If you use glue instead of just the stickies, they will last you a week, so go get you some. But yeah, guys, that is all that I got at Ulta. I told you it was a mini haul, but I still wanted to share nonetheless. Just a little haul, little, pep in your step for the day, a little spark, a little interest, a little inspo. I don't know, but today is December 19th, and Christmas is in 5 days. I'm super, super excited yet. I'm not prepared. I have so many presents to wrap. I still have so much shopping to do. I don't know what to do. So I better go and get done. Like I said, guys, you want to get me a Christmas present? All 72 of you? Just click tell your friend to tell a friend, tell their auntie, tell their grandma, tell their mama, tell their baby mama, whatever, to click subscribe right there. Click that red notification bell, and you will make one girl in this world, me, a happy, happy camper. Anyways, until next time, y'all, I'll talk to you later. Bye.